all of you for being here today with me. To my fellow Narvacanos, esteemed judges, Dr. Joselito Cabaldon Jr., Dr. Ian Norwin Bucat, Sir Romulo Quitevis, Architect Romel Cacho, our respectable guests, Dr. Avelina Gadula, Dr. Cecilia Salva, our barangay captain, I don't know if he's here, and Honorable Vice Mayor Carlos Valera, and Honorable Mayor Attorney Pablito Sanidad. Today, I would like to share with you my story and my dream for the future. This story has been going on for a long time. Like many of our compatriots, I left the Philippines many years ago. I was still a teenager when I had to find what we call the greener pastures. I had lots of setbacks and mishaps, like many others who went abroad. But fortunately, and I thank God for this, for He is always with me, I was able to achieve my goals in life. And not to mention, I met my husband, Luis, who always supports me in everything I do. And both, as some says, we have a successful life. But no matter how many countries I visit or lived in, I hold the Philippines and Narvacan very close to my heart. I was raised here. The best memories of my childhood are here. Happy memories, to be precise. This place, it goes with me wherever I go. And for this reason, I don't want to forget it. And I want to continue to be part of my life and my story. I mentioned earlier that some says we have a successful life. I cannot claim it because if I would redefine the meaning of a successful life, for me it means making a difference in the lives of others through uplifting their lives. That is why today, I want to return to Narvacan and to share to these children part of this joy and success. Art has been with me for the last few years, something I appreciate and have been lucky to be able to enjoy it around the world. That is why I founded Cab Art Foundation with two great convictions. The first one is to give back to my country and to my town everything life has given me since childhood. As a Filipino, I owe my history and the roots I have to my homeland. The second conviction I have is to be able to help those who have few resources to achieve their dreams through art. The idea is to give an opportunity to everyone to have a career in art by nurturing more of their talents and skills. Cab Art Foundation is a project that is born today, but I hope it will continue to grow over the years. My dream is that within a few years, Narvacan will be the hub of artists or the center of art in the entire Philippines. The place where we can hold the art festival every year and people across the country will be able to come here to celebrate with us, either to see our art or to showcase theirs. Maybe not only visual art, but it can be performing arts as well, like music and theater, but in a way to be able to express ourselves, a way to be able to tell each one of us our story. Today is just a small brick for a house we aim to build, but I hope it becomes everyone's project so that one day it can become a castle. The project that we are putting here today is to accompany these children who have the dream, but not the means to be able to become great artists or to have a career in the art world. But they don't have to be artists or painters. They can be architects, engineers, or designers. But whatever they would become in the future, we at Cab Art Foundation will accompany them. We are committed to help them realize their dreams. Then maybe these kids in the future, they can return here in Narvacan as well like me and be part of this family of Cab Art Foundation to continue our mission of helping the next generation. I would like to give thanks to Dinalawan Primary School who believed the project since the first day I told them about it. To the teachers, especially to Ma'am Jermeline Ramos, they have put their whole heart into this project. And thanks to this, today we are all here, laying this first brick in the great castle that we want to build together. I'd like to express my genuine appreciation as well for taking time to attend this event, to our panel of judges, Dr. Joselito Cabaldon Jr., Dr. Cesar Ziggy Perlas, Dr. Ian Norwin Bucat, Sir Romulo Quitevis, and Architect Romel Cacho. Your involvement is much appreciated. And of course, to CAB team, Attorney Cheryl Caballero Zaragoza, Abel Zaragoza, and Marco Cabahungan, thank you very much for your love and support. And to those who doesn't know what CAB Art Foundation is, thank you very much for taking the time to listen to us. Because I believe that with you, we can grow this story, but this story is not mine. It's not my story. It's not our story. It's the story of all these kids who have something to say. And my project is to put a loudspeaker on them so that everyone knows what they want to express. That's CAB Art Foundation. Today we have chosen 10 children who will have the opportunity to have a scholarship valued at 60,000 pesos per each child, to be able to study art for a full year with our professional teacher, Sir Benedict Bautista. But to the ones who weren't selected, please don't be discouraged. Don't think that you lost. Just think that we are just delaying it for next year, okay? There are no winners or losers today. It's just a matter of time. Because I want to see you next year trying again. Because next year, there will be more space, more slots, and more participation, I hope. It means that I want to see you as motivated as you have attended this year. But you have to come back next year. Because this adventure does not start and end today. This is simply the beginning, as I said, of an artistic movement that begins here in Narvacan. Thank you again, everyone, for coming today, for supporting us. And you can also help with the teachers we have here, because that money goes to the foundation for the education of these children. And you can also help simply by sharing the people you know about the experience you have witnessed. But above all, thank you for being here. It means a lot to me. Having said all this, let's enjoy this day of celebration. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am.